ये 1.5 घंटे पहले की हमारी कॉन्वर्सेशन थी कि संडे को कौन आएगा. A, it is raining outside. B, it's a Sunday. So thank you very much. मेरी तरफ से it's तालियां because it looks like a house full. Thank you so much for coming. And we do hope to make this very entertaining for you. Now, the feet वाला first look came out a few days ago. और मुझे तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगा था. एक, क्योंकि पैर बहुत खूबसूरत थे, मैं ये चेक करूंगा इनसे कि क्या उन्हीं के पैर थे कि नहीं. Second, it just was something different. So you know, keeping that vein in mind, सोचा कि मौके पर चौका मारा जाए. और क्योंकि इतना अच्छा उसका response आया, we thought we'd come out of the trailer as well. I'm sure you'll really love it when we do actually introduce it to you. But there's one gentleman who every time I speak about him or I talk to his peers, I realize he's the most chilled out person that there is. इतने chilled out एक boss कैसे हो सकते हैं? But Siddharth Roy Kapoor, the person who put it together, sir, can you please come on stage? Yeah.
So
you should actually be sitting up here in front.
Yeah, I wonder what he's doing at the back. So, you know, the big task obviously was to figure out who it is who would be the best person to direct this material. And honestly, after a lot of soul searching and, you know, thinking through various options, we narrowed in on the one person who has been able to, I mean, he is one of the most versatile directors that we have in this industry. He's handled virtually every genre of cinema in his, you know, in his career. And I think, you know, the film that he started out with, Kal Ho Na Ho, was something that, you know, convinced us that this was a script that deserves to be helmed by no one other than Nikhil Advani. And so we thought that Nikhil was the best person to do this. And honestly, I mean, from what one has seen of the film, which is pretty much all of it, I will say that, you know, our decision was completely justified, and we're thrilled that we have Nikhil making this movie. I'd like to thank Amrita and her team at UTV, who've been, you know, great support for the film, and you know they've been managing the marketing and distribution plans all the way through. And I'd like to thank Madhu and Monisha from MA for being extremely efficient, organized, and superb co-producers. So thank you. And thanks to all of you guys for coming out on a rainy Sunday afternoon. We'll keep it as short and sweet as we can, but we hope that you'll be entertained at the end of it. What's more, I'd also like to say that, you know, we're really thrilled to be working with the sort of talent that we have on this film from Imran, with whom we've done 4 hit movies in the past: Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, Delhi Belly, Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, and I Hate Love Stories. And this is our fifth film together. And of course, Kangana, with whom we've done Metro and Fashion in the past, and we're proud that our film was the first one that she won a national award for. And of course, the incredible crew that we have on the film, from Shankar Ehsan and Loy, to, you know, the incredible production designers, to, you know, everyone who's associated with the movie are just, you know, superb. And I'm sure you'll see some of that coming up in the trailer. Now, without any further ado, I'd like to call the man behind it all, Nikhil Advani.
Welcome, sir.
We felt there was a small glitch, so we went back, opened everything up, came. So we have Tushar over there, who I wish he's the DP of my film, and we've done 3 films together now, and I hope that I never have to shoot without him ever. And then there's Amit Dada and Subrata, who are the production designers. They won every single award for Haider. Amit Dada.
They were actually having an argument about how many he won in the morning, 7 or 4.
Yeah.
He's clarified it's 4. So
yeah,
it's
but I mean, I think the hero of this film is Anshul Singhal, who's sitting over there, and who, you know, very rarely, like I write my own films, or tend to write my own films, because I get very scared of the material that's coming to me. When Sid and Amrita and UTV and everybody came and gave me the script, and I looked at it and I said, I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to actually do anything. I just had to land up on the set. And that's thanks to Anshul Singhal.
That's brilliant. That's high praise. I think it's about time you took your place in the sun in the front.
And I mean, where do directors get opportunity like that to do this kind of, to work with this kind of material? Obviously very thankful to, I mean, for me to get the first person I wanted to play the role of Maddie, and that was Imran Khan. I didn't want anybody else. Nobody else.
Who's
I wanted,
looking
and
very
I
dapper in
wanted
his
to be him.
suit. Superb.
And he read it. He said it's rubbish, and I said, let me narrate it to you. Let me narrate it to you, please. And I went. We narrated it to him, and then he just said, okay, it's very, very different from when you read it, and I'm glad that he's said okay. And of course, Kangana Ranaut, who at the end of my 2.5 hour narration turned around and said that we should try this, we should do this, we should. And I said I said thank God she has said yes. So let Imran Khan and Kangana Ranaut, please.
How well coordinated the both of them look?
Yeah, in the sense that I think that what Kangana said was right. It's not, you can't actually pin it down. Is it a slice of life? Is it just a love story? I mean, the love story is a very big part of the film, but it's also an anti-love story, in the sense a guy trying to figure out what happened and why it happened. And
why he got dumped.
Correct. So yeah.
And I think the beauty of the film is that it keeps you, it's very intriguing, and we don't really want to take away from that when it starts and the way it unfolds, it's really a work of genius, and I think by talking too much about the story, we can talk about the characters and all of that. We will take away all the fun. But having said that, there are a lot of rumors about the film, as in it's about pregnancy. It's not, or I play double role. I don't play double roles in the film, or I am playing a Punjabi girl. No, I am NRI in the film, and I get bald. No, there's no such thing happening. So
my God, all the questions you just thrown out of the window. So now there's nothing left to ask.
No, there is still so much to talk about. You know, so these are just the rumors, but we can talk about the film and the trailer.
Perfect. So we'll open out to the press. Anybody ask a question? So you're waving out because you want to ask a question, or? Okay. So can we have the mic just go up there?
Okay,
it's somewhere.
Sir,
yeah.
On your left, Kangana.
On the left. Hi.
Yeah, hi. I have a few questions to ask. Firstly, to start is with Kangana. Kangana, हमने पढ़ा है कि आप जो मूवी के जो 7 मिनट है स्टार्टिंग के, उसमें आप सिनेमाटोग्राफर बन गई थी. तो क्या ये सच है और क्यों?
जो आपने जैसे जिस सीक्वेंस से फिल्म अभी जो ट्रेलर ओपन होता है, दैट इज़ द सेम सीन दैट वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट, एंड इट इज़ 7 मिनट अनकट सीक्वेंस जहाँ पे एक लड़की जो है एक लड़के को शूट कर रही होती है, उसका MMS बना रही होती है. तो that was the requirement of the script, and Nikhil sir was very thrilled because he loves giving me these challenges, and he was very happy कि आज कंगना को shoot करना है. तो I was holding a very heavy camera in my hands, and Tushar sir, like I said, had lit the set beautifully. So that was the requirement of the scene, and I loved the experience. और मुझे उनको शगुन में वो क्या पता नहीं शगुन बोलते हैं कि क्या बोलते हैं, but I had to give him some money because he came to me, he's like, you can't take charge of the camera, so you have to give me the money. if you have to take my permission and you have to give me the money. So I said okay fine, so I gave him 1 rupee.
Okay.
मतलब कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है एज ए हीरो?
हमारी लड़ाई करवा दीजिए आप आज ही.
कहाँ तक सेफ लगता है?
मतलब आपके लिए कितना स्कोप है?
स्कोप है
कितना है?
जितना स्क्रिप्ट में है उतना ही स्कोप है जी.
तो 2 साल के बाद आपने शुरुआत कंगना से की, कंगना के साथ, तो ये कहाँ
मैंने
तक
कट्टी बट्टी से की.
अच्छा.
Well, the thing is that it is a love story, and I think both of us have equally important part. Maybe Imran has a lot more screen space than me, but that doesn't mean किसी का character weak है, you know. तो I think वही एक जो इस तरह की जो कहानी होती है उसकी यही एक खासियत होती है.
Kangana, sorry for the delay. I mean to say late compliment. You look like a Barbie doll, in fact. Like, you know.
Thank you.
What was the particular reason to wear this dress, this moment? Actually?
Because it's a Sunday, you all coming, you know, and I wanted to make it worth it for you all. I mean, I could have chosen to wear jeans and T-shirt, you know, and it had to be transported in a different car. Then there was a vanity van outside. Then I wore that. My stylist is on, you know, she's at the job right now and fixing just for you all, just so that you get good pictures.
Thank you very much.
There's a reason she's the queen of the box office and of these answers as well. Brilliant once again. Yes, back there.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hi, Kangana and Imran. Amazing trailer. I'm very curious to watch movie. So कंगना, मेरा सवाल आपके लिए ये है, first of all, rumors थे कि आपको YRF और सलमान के साथ सुल्तान मूवी के लिए अप्रोच किया गया था, लेकिन आपने रंगून चुनी भंसाली जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है? और सॉरी भारद्वाज जी की, तो कितनी सच्चाई है?
Well, the thing is that I've already given my dates to Rangoon, and that's why I couldn't do that film.
एंड इमरान, ये फिल्म आपके लिए कितनी इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि इससे पहले आपकी फिल्म
नहीं, मैं ऐसा नहीं होता कि एक्टर्स जाएं सेट पर और बोलें अच्छा आज मुझे देवदास के कपड़े पहनने हैं। फिल्में थोड़े डिफरेंट तरीके से बनती हैं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है।
कुछ एक्टर्स ऐसे करते हैं, लेकिन
निखिल सर, तो मुझे आपने वो तमा वाला कॉस्ट्यूम क्यों नहीं दिया फिर?
मैंने I tried.
नहीं, ये पहले ही डिसाइड हो जाता है। ये राइटर्स पहले ही, जब स्क्रिप्ट होती है, जब हम लोग भी नहीं ऑन बोर्ड होते, उस वक्त ये सारे जो हैं सीन्स जो हैं डिसाइड हो जाते हैं।
Imran, Kangna, over here, towards the left, center. Very simple question. There's a lot of chemistry that's translating on screen. How comfortable, how easy, or how difficult was it to work with each other? It's your first film that you guys are doing together. So how was the experience of coming on board the first day, when you guys found out that you are going to be working with each other?
It is the first time, but we have had missed connections many times in the past 4 or 5 years. Well, you remember that photo shoot we had done? How many years ago was that?
People magazine.
People magazine का photo, कुछ 6-7 साल हो गए. We had done a photo shoot together, and we had hit it off very well. We said, yeah, we should do some work together, and it either worked out that I was doing the film and she was not doing the film, or she would do the film, I would not do the film. So this missed connection kept going for many years, and there's always this thing, at some point we have to do something together. And ultimately I'm glad that it ended up being this film, because what Kangana has brought to her role, brought to the film, I feel that no other actress could have done justice to that. It is a very demanding role. It's a very tricky role. When you see the film, आप सब समझ जाएंगे. And it requires a certain finesse and a certain craft which very few actors possess.
Kangna, the same feelings for you while working with Imran?
Same to you. Sorry, I keep calling my actor friends, by character names. I don't know why I do that. But no, Imran is a delight to work with, and he's just like this on the sets also, always very balanced, very centered, and he never loses his cool, and he's very calm whole day. Mr. Mercurial is there. He will be shouting, and the next minute you look at him, he'll be like giggling with his belly shaking.
What is Nikhil's favorite word on set,
What?
You can't say it in public, but you know which one, no?
छोटी बातों पे नाराज हो जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता नाराज है किस बात पे नाराज है, तो उस तरह से फिर उनको मान भी जल्दी जाते हैं। तो ऐसा कट्टी बट्टी तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो बहुत चली रहती है।
या निखिल की तरफ?
नहीं, आई थिंक अगर जो भी आपके दोस्त हो, चाहे आप हो या कोई भी हो, तो आई थिंक कुछ छोटी छोटी बातों पे तो सभी नाराज हो जाते हैं, इसमें तो कोई वो नहीं है।
लेकिन कभी आपने सुलह करवाई ऐसे?
आप नाम जा रहे हैं या कुछ?
नहीं यार, thank you.
Kangna, yeah, hello.
Okay, that's the last question we take.
Last question to you,
thanks,
Kangna. Kangna, correct me if I'm wrong. How true is it that after back-to-back hits like Queen, Tannu vs Mannu, whatever scripts comes your way, you have turned out to be more choosy and pricey for the script that comes your way? So is it true?
Well, the thing is कि choosy तो हम इंसान हमेशा ही होना चाहेगा, चाहे आप सक्सेसफुल हो चाहे नहीं, ये बात अलग है। आपके पास कभी ऑप्शंस होते हैं, कभी नहीं। तो पहले मेरे पास ऑप्शंस नहीं थे, उसका मतलब ये नहीं था कि मैं चूज़ी और प्राइसी नहीं होना चाहती थी। अब ऑप्शंस है तो अब आई कैन अफोर्ड टू बी चूज़ी एंड प्राइसी, लेकिन ऐसा आप हमेशा सोचते हैं। लेकिन जब आपको वाकई में कोई स्क्रिप्ट पसंद आती है, तो जैसे निखिल सर ने कहा, विदाउट इवन थिंकिंग ट्वाइस प्राइस के बारे में या मेरा रोल क्या है या किस कैरेक्टर का ज़्यादा रोल है, यू जस्ट गेट सो इन्वॉल्व, इट्स लाइक falling in love, or you just don't know about consequences.
लेकिन कट्टी बट्टी की बात हो रही है, तो there are newspaper reports saying that Kangna is having a cold war with Deepika Padukone, but next day only you are having a party with each other. So what is it all about? The chemistry between both of you, or what is the bonding? Bonding, I mean.
It's katti batti.
Katti batti.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll do a little photo op with the four We just
Thank
take
you
the
all.
mics. Just a minute. Yeah. And then we just do a little photo op and then. Nikhil sir. Oh. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. And some solos.